everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Tiny Tan Mic Drop plush dolls. Okay, so I'm really excited to open these. I actually bought the Idol ones before, I think it was before they were even marketing them as Tiny Tan, and it was for the pop-up shop, and they didn't even originally have them on Weverse. I got mine through a group order from Korea, but now they had them up on Weverse and they did some more, and I'm really excited to open them up. So I got Jungkook and Tae's, or V, obviously. I don't know why Tae is facing the back. He came that way. I don't know. I ordered these back in October and they just recently came, and I'm really excited to have them. I think they're so cute, and I had to get both because Tae and Jungkook are my biases. Honestly, I would get all of them if I was rich, but I'm not. So I got these two because I have the Idol ones already. So yeah, I think I'm gonna open Tae first because he's facing the back for some reason. So also the packaging is really cute, and it's very similar to what the other ones looked like. I think I'm probably gonna cut this part out and keep it. Maybe that too, that's cute. Yeah, the packaging is really nice. I feel like BTS merch always has really nice packaging, which is a good and a bad thing, because it's bad for me because I am a packaging hoarder and I will keep packaging forever because I just think it's nice, and I'm like, what if I need it? I recently just got rid of some BT21 packaging that I've literally had for like 2 years. So yeah. Okay, I like that he's not attached to anything, so I don't have to like cut any little things. He's just in there. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I got his little shoes and his headband. I love Mic Drop. I really love that music video. It's super hype, so I'm excited. And it looks like their clothes are all removable except the underwear. The underwear is attached, but everything else is removable. If you wanted to get him some different clothes, you could. So he's fuzzy, plush. Let me see if he's, I want to see if he's the exact same size as the Idol one. Let me pull the Idol one out. Okay, so here's the Idol one. It looks about the same. I think the Idol one, no, I think they're pretty much the same size. I think he is a little bit, like, the pattern for the Mic Drop one might be a little bit different. Like his head looks like slightly less round and maybe a teensy bit shorter, but for the most part, they're pretty much the same. I think his eyes are a little more downturned on this one than this one, but other than that, yeah, they look pretty comparable. He's so cute. And then these little things are on the inside. I probably won't keep those. If they said, I don't know, maybe I'll cut some out. I don't know. I'm definitely going to cut out these cartoons on the side and keep them for something. I don't know, a craft maybe. Okay, so that's Tae, and it says Tiny Tan V, Tiny Tan Doll V at the top. Now I shouldn't realize I should have kept the other packaging so then I could compare it. That's just me justifying my life choices. Okay, here's Jungkook. I'm really excited for him because of his little bucket hat. Ah, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, this one is so stinking cute. Yes. Yes. All right, it says Tiny Tan Jungkook at the top. It's the same box though. It's super nice box. Let's see. Let's pull him out. I got his little shoes. And these things are inside. It's the same, it looks like. Look, oh my gosh, the hat comes off. That's cool. I thought it would be like, but I do know that these kinds of dolls are really popular in Korea and maybe just Asia in general. And people do buy like different, oh, he's so cute, different clothes for them. And it looks like his clothes are all removable too. He also has some underwear on. His shoes come off. I'm not going to undress them though, probably, because I want them to stay looking like mic drop. That is so, I don't know why I'm so like impressed by the fact that his hat comes off. That's so, oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, I love him. He's so cute. Let me compare him to the Idol Jungkook. Okay, so here's the Idol one. Yeah, they look pretty similar. Obviously their hair is different and their outfits are different, but they look pretty much the same. He's so cute. Oh my God. I love the bucket hat. I love when Jungkook wears bucket hats anyway. And like I said, Mic Drop is one of my favorite music videos because I love the style and the look, and it's just like super fun. I'm really excited to have these. Oh, they're so cute. I'm sorry, I just can't get over it. Oh yes, these are so cute. Anyways, I just wanted to show you these. I know this is like a really short video, but I just wanted to show these off and unbox them for you guys in case, I don't know if they're still in stock or not, but I'm sure that you could find them somewhere else in case you were interested in getting them. I recommend it. They're so cute. I wish that somehow Tae's headband was removable. Not that I would necessarily want to remove it, I just think it would be like a cool feature, because if you wanted to change his clothes, like if you just got this doll and you wanted to change his clothes, you would still have to have the headband. But I guess his part would look weird if you didn't have a headband there, like his forehead would be exposed. But I guess you could change it with another headband. I don't know. Anyways, they're so cute. I love them so much. Oh, okay. I feel like half of this video is just me saying "aw." Anyways, I really love these. I hope that they come out with more of them so that I can collect all of the Tiny Tan Tae and Jungkooks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more adorable content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!